Is your Windows full of messy files and folders? Want to organize everything properly in Windows 11? In this video, I will show you the fastest and easiest way to move files and folders in Windows 11. Step by step for beginners. Let's get started. First of all, open your File Explorer and we are on this desktop. Okay. So here I'm going to share with you, this is my desktop and here I'm going to create one folder. Okay, so click on new and then folder. Here I'm typing move folder. Okay, so what I will do, I will transfer my all files into this folder. Okay, or also you can move this folder from here to here. Okay, simple step I'm going to share with you in File Explorer. So here what you will do, simply select the folder first and then right click on it and then cut, and here we are going to click here and then right click on it and then click paste. So what happened, that image will automatically transfer into this particular move folder. So friend, this directory is transferred into here. Let's move this file or images or videos to another folder. Okay, so here I'm going to share with you very easy and simple steps. So I want to select this image first and then click and hold it and then I move this from here. So what happened, my three images are moved here. Okay, very easily, right? If I want to copy or move this file, then what I will do, simply copy, then right select first all the files, then copy it. Okay, and here I'm going to paste these files. Right now we are going to on the desktop. Here you will see my all files are moved over here. Right, again I am going to do the keyboard shortcut Control X. So this will cut, then I click on desktop and then I will use keyboard shortcut Control V. So that folder and files are moved from here. Okay, if I want to not want to use right click, copy, cut, paste, I want to directly move folder to another folder. Okay, so what I will do, here you will see the move folder. You simply select this move folder, then hold it and then directly move to this folder and release your key. Okay, so automatically that folder will move into this particular folder. Okay, so friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys, how you can move files and folders from one folder to another folder. I hope friend you like this video. If you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment me below, so I will give the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.